Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great and having an incredible day. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of adding custom fonts to Canva in 2 simple ways. So, if you're ready, let's dive right into it. Before we begin, please note that you can't upload a font on the free trial version of Canva. You'll need at least Canva Pro for this. If you don't have it yet, just head over to the plans and pricing section on Canva's website to get started. Alright, let's get started with the first method. Once you're on Canva, go to the left-hand side and click on Brand Hub. In Brand Hub, scroll down until you find the font section. Click on Add New. Now, simply upload your font file from your desktop, and that's it. Your custom font is now added to Canva. Now, let's move on to the second way. Open a design on Canva. Click on any text and navigate to the font options at the top. Choose Upload a font, and again, upload the font file from your desktop. Remember, you need Canva Pro for this feature to be available. And there you have it, 2 easy ways to add custom fonts to Canva. Whether you prefer the Brand Hub or the Design Board method, both are quick and straightforward. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching.